Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst as well as host of the Grok Star Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. Here's a trade that we had late morning on HLF, Herbalife, who yesterday, during a conference call, the price dropped over 30%. So today it had bounced back up, but had been falling all morning. At this point, just after 11 o'clock, we had formed what's called a triple bottom, where it came down once, twice, three times. The triple bottom is actually a bullish position, and it usually would bounce and take off from here. But we also have what we could be called a descending triangle, which is a bearish position. We also have the closing line from the night before right here, which it hadn't been below all day. And we have the rising 200 MA. So we have three reasons why this should bounce up and one reason why it might fall. Well, let's see what happened next. Wow, there it goes. It actually fell below that. Now there's this $56 mark. So I'm going to put an order just below that to be short if it continues down below. Sure enough, right there it got me in at 55.96. I'm now short. Let's see what happened next. Popped back up, came back down, and bam, look at that. So what we are actually seeing here, this is what we call a low base, getting ready to break down. If you want to know more about a low base breakdown, go to our freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the free chart school. Go to low base breakdown. Here's a description of it, and here is a picture of it, where you have a downtrend where it's at a line of support, and then it breaks down from there. This is going to be an interesting pattern to see over the next few minutes on this stock. So let's see what happened here next after this big bam down. Started to pull up again. It's low basing here, but because of that big pullback up there, I got a little nervous and took out half right here at 55.62 for 0.6%. But then sure enough, this low base breakdown fell again. Let's pull this up and see what happened next. See, started to, still it's a right here, it's basing at this 55.25 area. Bam, look at that, huh? Fell down again. Now it's at the $55 mark, but sliced right through that. Up, came back up, working its way down. Now this 55 is to be a lot of support. It actually breaks above the 8 EMA, which it has not done this entire run down. Pull my stop down, and it did take me out at 55.13 for 1.4% on the second half. Total trade from here down to here was 1%. But now what I want to do is to show you this low base breakdown, how it's working. This is really basing right here at the $55 mark. Watch what happens next. Bam. Now this is after 12:30, after I quit trading. And there it does. It drops down another 1.5%, another 2%. Look at that. Again, from this low base. Low basing again, just briefly. Look at that. Bam. Came down. Bam. Again. Fell down. $23 is now supply and support, and then it began to pull up again. Point is, these low base breakdowns do work in a bearish environment. This was just one of 13 trades that we had today in the Grok Star room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chat room page, and down below is where you can sign up for your free trial. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember, one of the key characteristics of being a superior trader is consistency.